Alright, something a little bit special for you guys here today. Today, I'm going to be working on the Kia K4, the GT line. Today, we're going to be changing its oil. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this. This Kia is going for its second oil change at 10,000 miles. Go in here, pop the hood. It's already popped, of course. Lift up this 100-pound hood that they decided to put into here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe not. Alright. So the K4 GT line is equipped with a 2.0 Smart Stream engine. It's got the IVT in it, which is basically a smart CVT transmission. It's going to hold 4.5 liters of oil. The first thing we got to do is jack this baby up. Jack here and get a piece of the frame here if you can. It's a little bit hard on this car. Jack her up. Put that there, just in case. Go any further. I'll tell you right now, that did go down a little bit. But 5,500 miles on this oil change. 54. Okay. Yep. About half a quart. Take our freshly cleaned out pan, and I'll meet you guys underneath. That's about 17, 18, 19. We got here, it's time out over 15. Oof. Alright. She'll be right back. I think I got it now, boys. 17 millimeter. I'm gonna let that drain out there for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I'll come back to you. Wipe this off. Wipe my hand off. That's pretty well drip dry. I see. Still coming. Well, so we got our plug, and our kit comes here with a gasket and O-rings, a new plug, oil, filter. There's our filter. Okay. Now, grab our old O-ring here and take it off and put our new one on. We'll just dispose of the old one. And put this back on. Okay, just a little snug. Okay. Get this all wiped down. Nice and clean. Yeah. Nice and clean. Well, so the fun part. I exactly don't have a 27 millimeter socket here, but I do have some vice grips, and those don't work. There's some adjustable pliers that had worked last time, so I'm about to be talking about in about 2 seconds here. That drain out, I'm going to take out the old gasket, clean up the cap a little bit, and I'll be back. So, I'm going to take this gasket off now. Gosh. Slip that baby back in there. Nice. Just even down in there. Change this bottom plug, but I didn't use it, and I'll get to that next time. Plenty of oil still on there, so I'm gonna go back over here and screw her back on. Maybe not so tight as last time, but oh, before I do that, I must put that in, huh? I'll move the threads a little bit over here on the top, the outside. Whipping off all the foreign debris that are on this and moving around. Calls for 4.5 fourths, we're going to give it 4.5 fourths. Settle on in there and see how this baby goes. Check the level. Nice. Alright. Nice and full. We're going here. And set the miles down here. 10,430. And let me go open our setup here. Vehicle. Not here. General. Where is this? Where is over here? Oil change reminder. Here we go. We'll reset it. Yes, the oil has been changed. The service interval. And we're going to change that to 4,000 miles. No. 4,000. All right. And that will conclude our oil change in the Kia K4 2025 GT line. Thank you.